I got to ask this question. If you hibernate your LinkedIn account, someone sends you a message, and if you have messaging alerts sent on, so it sends you an email when you got messages or notifications of any type, are you going to get those notifications? I'm going to send a message to someone before they hibernate their account. I'm going to help them hibernate their account. And then I'm going to look and see if I can send them a message again and see what happens. Let's go try this. So I'm going to go to my friend Reva Adams. Here she is right here. Now, I'm not connected to her right now. Let me go ahead and get connected to her. 1 second. Now I'm going to go to her profile. Now let me go to her computer. Let me see if I can get her computer on my screen. 1 second. Okay, I've got Reva's computer on her account, and I have permission to do this from her. Let's go see my network, and let's see if I got an invite from Teddy. And there it is. So I'm going to hit accept, and I'm going to send her a message back. Hi Teddy. From her using her account on her computer. Now, before Teddy responds, let me help her hibernate her account, which is under me, settings and privacy. It's under account preferences. And here's hibernate right here. And it wants to know why do I want to hibernate it. It's optional, but I'm going to put it anyway. I need to take a break. Back soon. And then hit next. And read this, make sure I'm okay. See, how will others see my account? Your profile image and name will be removed and replaced with a generic icon and a LinkedIn member respectively. What happens to my content? All of your content will not be seen. All of your content will not be seen by other members. Only your messages and recommendations will remain attributed to a LinkedIn member. Can see people see my profile? No. How do I reinstate it? Just simply log back in. Now, this is informative. I don't believe I can send a message while the account's hibernated. I'm going to hibernate the account and hit next. I need my password. Your LinkedIn account is now hibernating. All right. So let's go back to my computer. Give me a second to make that happen. Now, here's Reva's account that I didn't change the screen on. And here's the message she sent me. Wonder what's going to happen when I respond to her. So, well, look, I don't have the ability to respond to her right now. If I hit refresh, I'm going to lose it. I have to hit refresh. I can't do anything. So I'm going to hit refresh, and it's gone. Her account is gone because it's hibernated. I don't have the ability to send her a message while she is hibernated. I don't have the ability to mention her in a post while she's hibernated. I don't have the ability to send her an invite while she is hibernated. For all intents and purposes, at this moment, her account does not even exist. If I do a search for Reva Adams, there's some Reva Adams, but they're not the ones I'm looking for. You know, Adams. Craft store doesn't even exist because her account is hibernated. Now, let me go back to her computer and see if I can bring her account back. Give me a second to pull that off. I went back in to log into her account, and it let me log into her account, and it said, had to verify that I was real, just some basic verification. And it said that you'll get an email when your account is accessible. Now, I had to wait about an hour for her account to be back, and I logged on her computer, logged back into LinkedIn, and I got right here. But it did take a little bit of time, and maybe that it happened quickly for her because she does not have a lot of content and a lot of data. Maybe it would take longer for others. I don't know for sure, but it took just under an hour for this to happen, and I'm back into her account. And now you can go see under her network connections. Look, the last thing that she did was connect with Teddy Burriss, and she can message him, you know, hi Teddy, I am back. Let me go to Teddy's account I'll do it on his mobile. Give me a second. And there's a message from Reva. Good that you're back. The bottom right hand corner of my screen, her screen, good that you are back. So bottom line, the question was this: if someone hibernates their account and you message them, will they get those messages why their account is hibernated? The answer is no. And here's the reason the answer is no. When they hibernate their account, for all intents and purposes, for everyone else, their account no longer exists. Now, you'll see under messaging that it says LinkedIn member with a ghost icon. You'll see under recommendations and endorsements, LinkedIn member with a ghost icon. But you cannot tag them. You cannot mention them. You can't mention them in comments. You can't send them a LinkedIn message. You can't send them a LinkedIn invite. Because for all intents and purposes, in all that context, their account does not exist. So there's no way they would get email notifications or any kind of notifications that you are engaging with them while their account is hibernated, because you can't. I'm Teddy, your LinkedIn and Sales Navigator strategist, trainer, and coach, and I hope all this is helpful for you.